What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs. And yes, with people, today we're gonna give you a new tour of Scarborough Town Center. People, we do a Scarborough Town Center vlog before, but that was 2 years ago. And right now, there's a lot of changes and updates them add to the mall. So me I say, I'm going on a new tour of the mall and make you can see what I go on and check it out, right? So again, my people, if you're new to the channel here, it's 416-876 Jamaica. Please subscribe. We do a lot of mall videos, store videos, and make sure you hashtag Jamaican Man Tour anywhere we go. Hashtag that. And we do a lot of park videos, hood videos, and we walk and we talk and we show off the place them too, right? Same so we do a Jamaica, that's why it's called 416-876 Jamaica. When we do a Jamaica, we do the same thing. And plus we do a lot of home development video of building our Airbnb and dreamers in Jamaica. Right, so right now people, we're gonna walk up to Scarborough Town Center, and Scarborough Town Center is at McCowan and Ellesmere in Scarborough, right at the McCowan subway station. That's in Scarborough, so if you've never been here, now you know. And right now my people, a lot of new development been taking place in them, because you can see over on that side over there, they're starting a development over there. So now it's like I think they're expanding McCowan station right now. Also over on that side of the mall, over the parking lot, they took it all out. So it looks like they're gonna build up something over there. I don't know if a condos or they might try to extend the mall. I think they're gonna extend the mall. Right now people, them also add a dedication, whatever that name is, and Toys R Us is back. They advertise us the Scarborough Town Center. So, right, as you can see, so it's the movie theater, Scarborough Town Center movie theater at the end of the day. And yeah, this is the entrance of Scarborough Town Center right here, my people. So this is how the entrance look of walking up to the mall. And people, why I do these videos again? I do these videos for people who haven't been to this area in a long time. I want to check out the area and see the place. And some people who overseas and probably on vacation for all 6 months, or some people who just can't even come back here and want to update the place them. So this is why I do these type of videos. So my content page is for everybody. You see my people, fabulous ladies taking pictures right here, you know. She not pose right, man. They not hear me. So right now people, we're going to check out Urban Planet and see what's good in Urban Planet right now. So this is what's the entrance of the mall, people. The music I will be playing on Philippines, so hopefully if I get copyright, we have to upload about the video and retake it down. Alright, so I'm going to walk through still, so I run upstairs quick, showing you just a glimpse of how the place look. Because they make sure, some of them store my people, they make sure play music, because they don't want people to record in them stores and stuff like that. So they make sure play music. So you can't really, when you record, you know you get copyright, so you want to take down your footage. But people then you start get around that. YouTube start get around that and just place overlay on that, man. Yeah, man. But a whole heap of brands and things, like them have some sales right here, so for the mans them. So in a way, all heap of people come and buy up them 1 and 2 things them, you understand my people? A jersey and nobody know my people. Motorsport and a small angle. Yeah man, me da rock one of them, yeah, man. But me on a 97, me da want a 90. No joke. But yeah, my people, I could continue walk it through, show you guys, buy everything like it up on sales right now. And again, my people, now is the best time to probably go get some stuff that's on sale. We head out back now to the mall. You have a Freedom Mobile, that's a phone company. So if you ever come into the country and need a company, you can go to Freedom Mobile, one of the cheaper routes. And you can go to T-Boot, Wireless Wave, Old Navy. You can check Old Navy still. I'm going to go and walk through Old Navy, see what's in there also. Nothing really in a Old Navy, you know, my people, I'll be honest with you now. Old Navy never really have nothing what me like. People may not even can. Alright, let's go. Them have a sale right now, 20% off. And Old Navy never have good deals yet. Never ever have good deals. What I can say, alright, cool. We're good for God, Old Navy. God no. You don't know nothing for you man them around us. Let me leave this place here, man. Cause them never have a no deal for nobody. No, I must say one time I come here and say deal. And then at Christmas time, Boxing Day. They had a Boxing Day deal. And we enjoy ourselves and get something from our virgin kids and that was it. But that was the only time I see a deal here. But I could walk through the same way. Catch you at go on. So again now Scarborough Town Centre, my people, have 2 floors. You have an upstairs and you have a downstairs. Alright, you have an upstairs and a downstairs, so you can see what I go on. Right now we're on the upstairs floor. Today is a Thursday, so not a lot of people really here today. Also, I think they used to have a. I'm gonna walk out to this side. This side is gonna be the TTC entrance. If you're taking the bus and stuff like that,
I'm working tomorrow.
This is the side you're gonna be walking from. Back in the days, people, I used to come at the mall a lot. When we got high school, man, every day we there at the mall. No joke, every single day we at the mall, people. Yeah, man.
At this point,
So this is the TTC. Oh yes, they are adding more buildings around the mall. So that's what the project was. Why am I see it like that? I'm gonna add up a lot more towers. At least 15,000 more residents. I'm gonna add. But I shall show you guys the areas, you know. Okay, very much. Right out here, so now my people, it's the Scarborough Civic Center, Scarborough Court, Scarborough Town Court. So I'm just gonna walk out there just to show you guys, and we'll walk back to the mall. Summertime they do a lot of gigs out here. Winter time I think they do a 1 and 2 things out here in the winter. I think they do like a winter sports, but it's like a stage area, performance and stuff like that. I think they did some renovation over here because it wasn't that big before. They had like a little dome over there. That's where it used to be, and that was there, and none of this wasn't here. So now this is like a new update also at the mall, Scarborough Town Centre, my people. So now this is Service Canada. So if you're gonna do your passport, your SIM number, PR card problem, tax problem, can forward over here, so you get all of them stuff they done right at Scarborough Town Centre, same way. And the condo them over here now, people. All of them condo they over there, so roll of the price them gone sky high for them too right now. So nothing not cheap no more. But them condo they are always expensive anyways. From a move come to Canada, them expensive so. Imagine now, 2024. Think the price will go down? Nope. See, I'm like when my born, respect daddy. See, I'm like when my born and them tell me stuff already is expensive. But this is still double, triple expensive now. Cause I know me a man. And from me a youth, up the expensive, so you imagine now. So this is the next entrance now you don't walk from to enter the mall. A lot of ads and promotions going on in here. A lot of kids here today. We have urban kids. That's a part of urban behavior. And yeah. Another mall have quite a lot of stuff. That all you guys want. Samsung right here, so only thing this mall never got is the Apple store. That's what it never got. You know, you love sweets, you can buy your sweets right here. I'm not even trying to do a fast walkthrough, just I take my time and just walk with people. So you guys could just enjoy the vlog. You have Coach here, Bath and Body. So you know you can buy your girl something. Your girl like Coach bag, you buy her a Coach bag, you understand? And I'm a girlfriend, so I don't have to buy nothing. Jack and Jones. I don't want no Jack and no Jones. You know, Roots over there, Roots Canada. If you like Roots stuff. And the mall is always just like this. Wish it was a little bit bigger. You have Aldo. I used to love Aldo, you know, I used to buy a lot of Aldo stuff. I like them Aldo hats. People may have to make an Amazon wish list for my page, you know, so if you don't want to support the oh, there's a OVO store here. So this is something new right here, my people. So now there's an OVO store at the mall. Yeah man, let's go check out some OVO gears. Hello. I can film in there, right? Just showing some stuff. Alright, cool. So you have the OVO track suits and people. Alright. You have the OVO track suit and stuff. There's the OVO vibe. So there's the OVO store in the mall. We can't really stay in here too long because of the music, people. I don't want to get copyright, so we gotta go. So, let's see here. So there's the OVO store. There's a Suzy. So that was something new added to the mall. An OVO store. So that's good. Last time security them see me in the mall I record. And then kick me out and say, oh no recording, no recording. Now I'm like, I'm just showing them all off, man. Promotion, what's wrong with you? I just walk with Friday man and continue what doing me do. Right here now, them have a Maxis also. Can bring your girl out on a date. Girls can bring your boyfriend out on a date. And thing 2014 now. We know to reach out now. So they can't complain. Yeah, we have all of the big money now. Yeah, they don't know what they pronounce it. Delegation or whatever. This is like a sports store. This is something new they added to the mall also. Alright. Now there was a guest store here. That one is closed down. And I think they moved to around the corner. This place is called Stars Suits. I think it's a Jamaican. I don't know if one Jamaican man own it, you know, but I always say a Jamaican man in there. An old man, I do him things still. Yeah, man. Diner. Again, my people, Scarborough is a mixture culture. So now this is the new guest. They open around this side. There used to be a different store here. But guess take over a smaller store. But not really buying a guest like that. And now we are Champs right here. Let's go check out Champs. See what's in Champs. Good. So now we're in a Champs, so people again the music. We still can't stay here. And over here, so used to be the Adidas side. Look like them cut it out, cause all the people not really come in and buy up. So it get cut out right away too. So I just business at the end of the day. Blessings, brother. Yeah. I just business at the end of the day, my people. So right here, so used to be the Adidas side of it, and then cut it out. Rent out the space to a different company right now. Walmart there, Foot Locker. I think I'm gonna come back around. But there's a couple new other stores downstairs. And I don't know Walmart third, I'm not going to Walmart. So let's go downstairs. Watch what I go on. This store been here for years, never moved. Yeah, man. Some of them store my people been here for years, never moved once. So yeah, let's go and walk and show you guys the place. We have a GameStop right here also. So if you're in a gaming, I'm also added a DHL right now at the mall. Also, this is Blue Notes. You can see Blue Notes have nothing cheap. And again, people, them store here when I show an affordable store where you can buy stuff and send off to Jamaica to their friends and family. But I think them have no sale, okay, buy one get one free. But they never have nothing yet to know my people. I still it's like them put on everything in their warehouse them and wait till the other year to use them again. I just don't believe, because every year I see same thing. Like them jeans, I know. But I still like Jamaican jeans. Like I told go buy my jeans them same way. Not gonna lie. But let's move from out here, people, because the audio, the music, again, not good for the camera. We have internationals. That's why a lot of brown people the more buy them stuff. You have a Best Buy Express now. This used to be a Source right here. So now they change it to a Best Buy Express. So that's something new again. That's like going to 2024 update of the mall and my people. So nobody can see it. Okay, right down here now they have Ikea. This is something new them added too. Let's go to Ikea for a little bit. And then we'll walk back a quick time. So right now we're entering into Ikea. See if them have nothing for sale. $5 item. They make plants and stuff here. Can have a yard and thing just for look good props and stuff like that. You know what I mean? You have a dinner area right here too. Ikea dinner vibe. And then we could push through a little bit. I like how them just keep it natural, the floor just natural and everything. Oh, them that keep all of them store. But these are more, them not have no, I think they took out the area, like the custom areas. They just set up like a kitchen area. And you just see all of the nice setup and stuff like that. Because it's a smaller space, so we understand. Alright. We walk around some more.
Nah.
So now we're downstairs. We're gonna walk around back to upstairs and go on the next side. Then go back downstairs again. And then exit this mall. Again, my people, Scarborough Town Center is just a place where you come for this. You just walk through the mall and clear your head. Be honest with you. You just want to breeze out. You just sit down all night food court, just get a meal and eat. You just sit down there and vibe out. God no. Family figure. I don't know, Fox Home. I never been to Fox Home before. Like them have some cheap stuff over here. 50 entire store 50% off. Discount taken at checkout. What? Set of 6 plates, $20 plus 40% off. Complete set of 18 pieces. Dinnerware set, $69. How that them talk about my people? This are the 18 piece guys, so I don't want to buy it, you know. You don't know my people. Because I don't know, say, we need stuff for the dream house, right? We'll go and look through in here though. Yeah man, them one I like though my people. Because I want something different for the dream house. And these are plastic too, so it won't break. And clearance right now, 70% off. Some of these cups and things are crazy. Yeah. Gotta come back. We need some of these stuffs too also for the house also. But let's pray. Like I'm gonna come back here now. I know so this store is here. I can actually see what I want in person. Again people, the music I play. So I'm not really staying here until one day I come back again. Because the music again people. And you know so some store never used to have music. And them used to have it, but they never used to turn it up so loud too. Because of the vloggers now. Again, Calvin Klein. Girls, I can buy your man something, woman. Can buy your husband something, man. Or your boyfriend. Or you cheating man. Or you cheating woman. Somebody can get something at the end of the day. Yes. Your side link. Or you, them call it, what them call it now? Your sneaky link. Yeah man, somebody can get something, man. Right here in Christmas time, them have a big Christmas costume thing right here going on. A long time that store right there, you know, still no move. Alright, let's go back upstairs. I'm gonna come back around, but let's go upstairs. Oh god. Really? People, we have to go upstairs next time, you know. Because the elevator now work, but we'll see what going on. We go upstairs. Just do downstairs. Sephora is still here. Garage is always here. Never moving on my people. Over the from me come to Canada, this store's been here at this mall. Nothing not change. Same with this Hot Topic place. Yeah. Never change. This place been here for years too also. Let me see if them have no nice shoes I like. Just no one body come up to me and be like, oh you want to buy something? Can't bother with that right now. Oh. Do need a white sandals. $49, $39 on sales. Probably have to come back with that. Ardeen even get bigger. Them come up in a power now, you know. Ardeen never so big yet, you know, my people. No. Them might get big. Bigger and bigger in every mall we see now. So you know, say, they might gain some capitalism. Walk around. Then I go upstairs from the next spot. And this is all the mall, my people. Like, big space to do anything we want at the mall. Around here so used to be a wireless wave. Back in the days when you have to sell contract. So the boy they make the phone thing look like it's the hardest impossible thing to get a job at. Yeah, back in the days them man. Now YouTube and social media come out and I hit the world crazy. People not even work no more. People can just go do a vlog video and make thousands of dollars per month. One of my brethren that work out Rogers. Big man from me I work at McDonald's back in the days. Him that work at Rogers, he was like the boss. Not the boss, but like a supervisor. And that man quit and went to go do trucking for the Metro. Yeah. So no money not really over them place yeah. Like that now no more. Or probably have to do a 2-3 job right now. show the place set up over here, you know, my people. The place now cheap again like how it used to be, you know. Everything gone up now, you know. Lisa, girl, get locked up. What, yeah? Let me show you guys, see? So now we're back around here. And then now we're at Foot Locker. I mean, Foot Locker used to have some good deals. There's no more deals here no more. So yeah. Let's go check out inside here. Quick time though. See what I go on. Again, the music. QC, I don't know what kind of shoes them there. And yeah, it's just shoes on top of shoes again. It's Foot Locker. You don't know what it is. Oh, pretty girl. It's Foot Locker, my people. You don't know the script already. There's a Tim Hortons over there. Again, there used to be a clothing store here, a printing place. You know, say you don't make no money, you know, so you close. Now, it's a nail salon there now. Foot Locker for kids. Adidas store. Ooh. There's an Adidas store. I really go in Adidas because I can't afford nothing in Adidas, you know. So we leave them alone. Lids, back in the days, the Lids was around by the food court area. Now they've been moved to here. So again, my people, we just are going to a new update of the mall for 2024. Our place named Pink Cancre, or whatever I want to name. Love and Peace All Stone. Like a dress place right here, so go on with them things. And right now you also have Hudson Bay. If you want to buy a girl some perfume, them have nice perfume, still have the base still. And all of them stuff. I mean, I really going, everybody must know Hudson Bay. And I really have to showcase Hudson Bay. And they have this JP Sports Place that's been open. They're playing loud music too, but can't really bother. And there's a Zara also upstairs. And this American Eagle, my people. See this American Eagle? It used to be downstairs, you know. I don't know how fair whether have such a big store. I mean, I really think I make money because they always say them have 50% off. So I don't understand. And not the mall, this mall is not cheap to rent out. Remember I tell you that. This mall is nothing, no joke. But American Eagle, my people. You know, so Jamaican them love American Eagle again. I play the music too loud, so I won't even try. Now hopefully I not get copyrighted already with the music that we do have already. Right now, them have the Zara right here. If anybody who want to come at Zara, let me go check out Zara and see if them have nothing good in there with me that wear. I don't know, still know my people. I don't know. Probably have a 1-2 thing here that probably check out still, but again, the music. So go walk out. I'm gonna go get a lineup too. Check out the place. So right now, people, the only place that's left is downstairs food court. They have Lululemon and everything also. Yeah, I think that's the complete mall. Michael Kors. Anybody want to check out anything? Buy a watch for your girlfriend, my boss. Buy a watch for your girlfriend. You know? Decor a secret. You know, you alone I see secret in daddy, so you don't know. Say, if you see secret, you have to share. the money in your pocket and buy her some things. Right? Because you alone see secret. So you have to buy her thing. So I'll go back downstairs now to the food court area and show you guys around there. And again now, we're gonna walk around to this H&M. Wasn't here before. Although it's been here for years, you know, my people. But H&M used to be upstairs at a different location. That's what I'm just trying to say. Right? Back in the days, H&M was here. And down there is the dollar store. And someone I really need to go down there. So nothing I really have gone. And then now we're at the food court. That's right here now. Well, tickers, check, God, man. Woo. Yeah, the McDonald's downstairs. McDonald's been here for the years from me. I work at McDonald's from, that's 07, 08, 09. Me that work at McDonald's, 09. Yeah. But now this is how the food court looks though. So they changed up the entire downstairs. So remember downstairs I used to look some of people. Bulk barn and all of them things that used to be here back in the days. So this vlog is for everybody again. Who's overseas I want to check in. And again my people, I have to go walk back around again because the excavator don't work. So just a walk through again with people. And I'll show you guys how it is. So yes my people, so that's the full tour of Scarborough Town Center. Hopefully you guys like it. Enjoy these type of vlogs because I think one of these days I really have to go over Fairview Mall and do Fairview Mall because I haven't been to Fairview Mall in years. And I haven't done a video over there to give you guys a video. I don't know why I look for myself I could put in the truck. I haven't done a video over Fairview Mall as yet to show you guys Fairview Mall. So I'll go over Fairview Mall and get you guys a video tour over there. If you guys have any malls in idea that don't really want to see also, we'll go over there and do a walkthrough. I think we still have Sherry Garden left to do. Sherry Garden and Square One in Mississauga. But anytime in the west side, we get those. I think I have Bramley Mall also in Brampton. I don't think I did one over there. I mean, they over there one of them time there, you know. But anytime I get our bookings on that side, my people, we'll get those videos done for you. So, you can see how the place look. And again, people, mix up all of my videos, them, you know. I don't really want to stay on one topic all the time. Yesterday, I do a house video. Soon drop some new house videos and talk about the house or talk about Jamaica. My life, I just mix up the content. So, I don't just step on one thing. So, like, me there, I tear down how bad these people treat me or they're doing me in Jamaica. I don't really want to show too much negative and stuff like that. We just, you know, we go with the flow and we just make it work straight through. We're not there for the negative vibes or energy like that. So that's why I have to add that to the video. So at least you don't know why I do the videos like this. I don't really stay up on one thing too long. Even if this video get 100 views, still a video out there, still somebody else watch it, and it can help them to see a difference too also. Alright my people, bless up yourself.